This small tree is a volunteer in my garden. Can you help me to identify it? Cherie from South Haven, Mississippi. Thank you for the nice picture too, Miss
Yes,
Cherie.
good pictures, Miss Cherie.
Yes, good picture.
Yeah.
So what do you think?
It's a sweet gum.
Sweet gum.
A sweet gum is a very prolific grower. It's native.
Uh-huh.
In the right place, it's a good tree. But I see that it's up against a house.
Ah,
Not a good place for a sweet gum to be.
okay.
Even with the gum balls, it's just. I happen to like sweet gum trees.
Okay.
They produce nice shade. Unfortunately, they have some my granddaughter calls them porcupines, but the little porcupine seed balls. You can see on the second picture, it has that corky texture on the bark right there, kind of almost like a wing down.
All right.
And on the second one, it's a sweet gum.
Okay. And that corky bark is just
Normal.
Normal, right.
Normal.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, just a characteristic,
Just a
right?
characteristic, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I like sweet gum. They have beautiful foliage.
They do.
Sweet gums.
They're in the right spot. They're beautiful. They're one of my favorites.
Right.
The reason they propagate more so around yards and houses and things is because they're one of the, and as far as a succession of trees in a forest grow or in a yard, they're one of the first ones to come up.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.